different policies. So you kind of saw some of it, but we collect information about what people browse to, what they're printing, the USB, the wireless networks that they're using, the applications that they're using, and a couple other things. And so for each one of those, you can build a policy around, right? So yes, maybe they block Facebook, and they have a tool for that, but we could also do that with our tool. So if they wanted one central place to manage what printers are allowed, what USB drives are allowed, which websites are allowed, we can do that with that policy engine. And you can see here some of the stuff that we look at. So the browser one's pretty easy. What am I uploading and downloading, and where am I going to, and do I want to flag for that or search for confidential data while I'm doing that? Mail, similar here. What am I doing with email? Am I sending stuff to my personal email for my corporate account? That's a good indicator that something fishy's going on. Printing, do I print outside of office hours? Am I printing to PDFs and trying to save it as pictures rather than what the document name is, so that I can try to steal it there and try to evade what's going on? We saw the LinkedIn stuff, but if we see somebody trying to go to just recruitment websites, that could be a flag. And these are more network stuff. So what servers am I connecting to? Am I trying to log into the financial database? Am I trying to connect to a machine that I shouldn't? So we can look at all that. USB, am I doing a bunch of downloads to a USB device? Again, indicating that maybe I'm stealing some stuff. I talked about the net documents I manage. So if I'm uploading a document to net documents with a certain client code or a certain number, then maybe that's a flag, right? So it just gives you a sense of what we can do. And what's nice about this, we built this in a way that it can be customized. And even SEs can customize it. So if they have, for whatever vertical, they have XYZ application and they want to put a finer watch on that application and what people are doing with it, we can build a policy with them in a matter of a couple of days. And that's kind of what happened with the net documents thing. We talked to a law firm. We said, hey, I want to see what you can do with net documents. Bang. We did it. Went back to them and did a demo, and it was awesome.
So the policy is the filter of all things happening based upon the application, and then it triggers a response. And we saw the one that gave a flag, right? And what other ones are available?
So yeah, here's all the actions. So I can display a message. That's the thing that you saw on the client side. I can reboot the machine. That seems a little bit harsh, obviously, just suddenly reboot the machine. But for operational use cases, it does have some merit. Authenticate with MFA. MFA is multi-factor authentication. So maybe I might want to allow it, but maybe I want to make sure it's really Billy behind the keyboard. So I'm going to challenge him to re-enter his password. Take a screenshot. You saw that. So for evidence-based, we can take a screenshot. We're going to move that to full video recording at some point in the future. So I'll have like a DVR of what exactly happened for that user. And then the final ones here are lock and isolate. That just basically control-alt deletes the machine so that they can't do anything with it.